Hey guys, welcome to Modern Ukrainian Homestead channel. Today I'm doing a messy job. Well, messy but necessary. What do I have to do? As I told you, my concrete foundation is not thermally sealed. So here, right here on the top, I have 20 centimeter thick mineral wool, which is rock wool front rock. Really crazy one and really strong one and really good one. But since this thing is not really insulated, that was giving me trouble this winter. But this winter we are not living here, so I just like holding 20 plus, just like to be comfortable once I came and did some job. But at this point, since we will be living here already, I need to do it like this. So this is so-called, how do you call it, extruded foam polystyrol. Right, so this is the material that is used for it. It's quite sturdy, I would say. Not the same as a standard, how we call it, foam plast like thing, but this one is much better. This one is so much thicker in density, I would say. And well, the reason to use this is because it's doing two things. It's hydroisolation on its own. Like if you pour water inside, it will never get through it, because well it's not the porous material like the other one. And it has really huge thermal resistance coefficient, so that will be really a crazy one to, like, with a small thickness to insulate the foundation. So first of all, of course, you have to apply the hydroisolation, 3 layers in my case, for this like rubber silicone paint specific for the hydroisolation, and that's it. And then just like apply the specific, this is called not like the Montageschaum, like they call in Germany, not the mounting foam, but the foam glue, so to say, or glue foam, I don't know. It does not like really expand that a lot, so it's really much better to use for gluing this kind of things together. Don't look at this right now, because I will seal the hose once I'm done with all the major thing. This one I sealed because, well, my the other one was finished actually, and I had to like bore the less items of it. But in general, it will look like this, but this is not the final layer, of course. So what will happen here? Because here, like, you cannot leave the grass like this, and you cannot have it like in this case. So first of all, I will apply a layer of so-called grass preventive, like how do you call this material? That's actually a specific textile that prevents the grass from growing through it. It has a certain density, and like it has to be applied just to prevent grass from growing. That's it. Then I will apply a thin layer of sand mixed with gravel, thin gravel. It'll be like this, to ensure and to actually create like this kind of angle, so the water is not getting here. And of course, on top of that, I will put this kind of plate as well, but it'll be much longer, because like this one is short one. Just to show you, that one will be almost double the distance. It'll be 1.2 meters wide from the wall to here. And then on the very nearest side there will be the brick. The brick like this one I have on the fence, and here you may see like I have a bunch of them here, and in other places as well. So these bricks will be actually forming the nice structure, nice decorative structure up to this level, and the brick itself will be hitting maybe like an inch or 2.5 centimeters inside, so that's where it will finish. And after the brick, of course, for the rest of 1 meter probably something, there will be the pavers, standard pavers, 6 centimeters thick. I have them quite a lot, as I told you already, some other videos, but in this case specifically it would be a pavement of this kind of look. So you may imagine how this is going to look like here all around the house, right? So you have to form that specific level so the water does not get into. And yeah, for sure, I mean, I will have to probably remove this one and move it a little bit higher. That's not a big deal, but eventually I also have to have the drainage to add it somewhere here to get the water out and like to drain somewhere down. So that's my plan for today. Not everything, but I just hope to finish only the insulation because, well, I still have a lot of stuff to do, like to finish also this piece and on that side. So basically, I'm half through this already. But that's the plan for this year, so I'm preparing for the winter heavily because the winter will be tough. The winter is coming, as you know. And this is serious. So yeah, this should reduce several hundreds of kilowatt hours spent on the heating in my case. And every kilowatt hour will be counted this winter. So that's important. Thanks for watching, guys. I don't know if you are doing this in your countries, yeah, but we have the local manufacturer, for example, you see made in Ukraine, like it's supplied in this kind of boxes. Like it's standard. I believe it's similar like everywhere, but it is very easy to do on your own. Not a big deal. Like half a day, and I have done half of this. I mean, to finish it, ideally, I would need a couple of more days, of course, but like only the insulation itself. I mean, for the worst case, you can just leave it as it is, and that's it. It will already do its job with preventing the house from freezing, and the foundation will be actually not moving, not allowing a lot of heat loss as it was. But yeah, that's you have to make it look nice, like in the end, for example. Yeah, the wall, you cannot just leave it insulated and that's it. You just have to apply some nice cover. That's the standard procedure as well. So thanks for watching, and let me announce you the video for tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gathering a lot of stuff, how to create your own reserve supply system with various different budget levels. The most simple one, the budget one, the one that I have, and the most top one, top management, high tier, so to say. So there will be 4 of them, and 3 of them I can show you visually how it looks like. So this is my announcement for you for tomorrow. I'll be shooting that video tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'll be able to prepare it tomorrow for release, but it will be like coming really soon. So thanks for watching, and see you later. Bye.